Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to search on Peacock TV. Searching on Peacock TV is easy. Open up a web browser to get started and then type in peacocktv.com in the URL box. After ending up in the official website for Peacock TV, make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, look for the search bar, which is located at the top right corner. Click on this little magnifying glass icon and type in the name of the show, movie, live events, or genre. Simply type in the name that you are searching for to watch, and once you do that, it'll present you with the list of search results based on the search. After finding the movie or TV show or anything that you want to watch, simply click on it and you will then be able to watch the selected movie, show, or content by using the search function on Peacock TV. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.